told you, as commissioner, I can't get involved in this. I don't know why I'm here.
Mr. Steele, I need a mediator.
A mediator?
Listen, it scares me to death, and I need somebody there. But more than anything,
why does it got to be me?
Because you're the commissioner. You're the one that organizes all this.
Right, right.
Now look at what? Do you hear? Come on, excuse me. I think that might be him.
I hear.
I think that might be him. Where are we at? Oh man, we in the Lord, man.
Are you here to talk to him? There he is. Get off of me. Get off.
Look, man, that's a body right there, man.
Listen. That's right. Look, go with me. You want to talk? Go over there and sit down. Go over there and sit down. Yeah, right. Would you be willing to talk to Mr. Payne? Would you be willing to sit down with me if I sit down with you? Okay. Just come over and have a seat. Sit down. That's a body right there. Sit down. You want to talk? Talk. If you just have a seat, please. Now listen, I ain't got all. Come on and talk to me. I ain't got all day. If you would, just have a seat, please. Mr. Steele. Listen. You want to talk to the man? Mr. Steele. Tell him I ain't got no beef with him. Tell him we need to end this. We're on the same team. He hears you. Mr. Steele. You sit down for us. Tell him to sit down. He's getting scared. Tell him I ain't got no beef with him. I understand. Tell him I ain't got no beef with him. He's willing to talk. He's willing to talk. Talk to him. The 19th, the 20th, the 26th, 27th, and 31st. You're here. I'm going to be here too. You got to stop haunting me, man. You got to stop doing this. We're on the same team. We got this thing. I often thought many days. I'm sorry. I get wrapped up in the emotions. I understand. I often thought many times that we could be friends. I'm scared to talk to you. Just hold my hand for comfort. I just think that, I know you got your body thing going on, you know, you got your body right there, you're cutting up your body. But I just believe that we can be friends. Can I get a hug or something?